Humans have impacted nearly every corner of the globe. 46,000 pieces of plastic can be found in every square mile of ocean. More than half of the world population now lives in cities, with that number increasing to two-thirds by 2050. Technology has seeped into every aspect of our lives. There are more cell phones on the planet than there are people. 81% of the developed world are internet users. And we now spend, on average, 90% of our lives indoors, with less than 50% of Americans getting more than 5 hours of time outside in a week. But our trend towards distancing ourselves from the natural world comes with a price. We may have an instinctual appreciation and affection for non-human life and natural environments. E.O. Wilson described this phenomenon as biophilia. This idea goes beyond just an abstract concept. Study after study has proven the health benefits of spending time in nature. In one Stanford study, participants that walked along a quiet path with greenery had lower activity in their subgenual prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain associated with anxiety and repetitive worry. Cortisol, a stress marker for humans, was significantly reduced after spending 2 days in a broad-leaved evergreen forest when compared to an urban setting. Even a 15-minute walk surrounded by nature in Japan resulted in a 2% drop in blood pressure and a 4% drop in heart rate. But the benefits of our natural surrounding provide more than relaxation. A growing body of research shows a walk in the woods can impact cognitive and disease processes. One study compared memory performance between people who walk through an arboretum versus city streets. The findings showed a nearly 20% improvement on memory tests after being in nature. Even a walk in a city park showed improved concentration in children with ADHD when compared to walks in downtown or neighborhood settings. Early findings also suggest being immersed in nature can reduce risk of cancer by increasing specialized immune cells, called natural killer cells, and anti-cancer proteins such as perforin and granulosin. Measures such as global poverty, literacy, and democratization suggest the world is becoming a better place. But as cities have expanded, millions of acres of green space have been reduced. We don't have to give up the advances modern life has provided, but we do need to reap the rewards provided by our surroundings. All we have to do is move out of our normal routine every once in a while and make time for nature.